How can you find out who the owner of a property is? All right, guys, this is a fantastic question. Thank you for asking it. If you've got a question you'd like to have me answer, type it in the comments below and I'll put a video together like this for you and for all of my other subscribers. Thank you to all my subscribers out there. This is pretty easy. Tax information, property tax information is public information. So you can look on the tax records, you can go to the county assessor's office. They typically have it online. For those of you that are members, you can use our Investor's Edge. And what you're doing is you are looking at the tax records. And the tax records has what's called vesting or ownership, because they have to have a record of who owns that property. Now that owner may be a corporation or maybe an individual. Most of the time it's an individual on a single family house, unless it's an investor that owns it already. So what you're doing is you're simply going to the tax records, you're finding the property address, you're looking up to see who the owner of the property is. And I'll take this a step further because this is a pro tip for you. It also has the mailing address, because when the tax bill is sent out, they mail the tax bill out. And since that's public information, where the tax notice gets sent to is also public information. So we know, does the tax bill get sent to the property or does the tax bill get sent somewhere else? See, if the tax bill gets sent to the property, we know it's an owner-occupied property more than likely. If the tax bill gets sent to another address in the same state, that's a non-owner occupied property, meaning the owner of the property does not live in the property. Now, if the tax bill gets sent outside of the state, we call that an out-of-state owner. And if the tax bill gets sent outside of the country, we call that an out-of-country owner. So these are great ways, these are great lists that you should be going after. If you don't have access, check out our Investor's Edge, give us a call, we can help you with it. These are great lists that you can be going over to try and find motivated sellers that have a reason why they're gonna wanna be selling the property. And you can do that by understanding who the owner is and then understanding where that tax bill is being sent to. Now there's some hard ways to do it, some easy ways to do it. I recommend using the software to make that so much easier for you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. It tells YouTube they should show this video to more people, and I would greatly appreciate it. If you'd like to get a postcard you can send to people like this, out-of-state owners, non-owner occupieds, I will give you a free copy. All you've got to do is text your email address to 435-294-0433. I've got a blog, How Often Should I Contact the Property Owner? You're going to want to read that. I'll type that in the comments below. And I've got another video I'll put on the screen here. How do I contact the owner of a vacant house? Check out that video. It'll help you out immensely going after vacant owners. Otherwise, make it a very profitable day, and bye for now.